Okay, so here's a handy way to use the TI-84 to help you calculate an x-intercept. How do we do that? Remember in the class example, we went through that algebraic method where I set h of t equal to 0, solve for t. I had to do some square roots. I had a plus minus thing, and I arrived at a t value of 5.033114026, right? So how do we use the graphing calculator to get that value? Let's check it out. So y equals, so type in your original vertex form equation, so -6 times x minus 2.5 squared plus 38.5. Okay, let's graph that. Okay, again, set your windows. I'm going to go -2. I'm going to go 40. Oh, sorry, I'm going to go 20. I'm going to go 0 for that, and an x max of, let's go 40. Okay, so let's fit the entire graph onto the screen. Okay, you know what? I'm going to actually adjust the y minimum to -10 so I can show you where the x-intercepts actually occur. So you can clearly see the x-intercept here and here. Okay, let's concern ourselves with the x-intercept that's here, because the intercept here we calculated, right? The x-intercept on the left side here is actually negative. So I'll just show you that real quick. I'm going to zoom into it, and I'll show you that it's a negative value. And remember, we can't have negative values in this application because time cannot be a negative value. Okay, let's zoom in even more. And so here you can clearly see this left side of the parabola, the x-intercept. The x-intercept is a negative value, so we're going to ignore that x-intercept. So we need to go back, and then let's look at the other x-intercept. So let's zoom out. Okay, and let's just reset our window here. Let's go -2 is fine. X max of 40 is great. Y minimum, let's leave it at -5, and then y maximum of 40. So when we graph it, there it is. I'm going to adjust the x max to about 20. Let's spread it out a bit. There we go. Okay, so we can clearly see the x-intercept on the right side. So how do we calculate that x-intercept? We can use the TI-84 to do that. So go to second, and we're going to hit this button trace, which will access that CALC button, calc. Go to 0, number 2. And you'll see a cursor. It's going to ask left bound, right bound. So just got to hit that cursor. It's hiding somewhere. There it is, okay? Left bound. So left bound meaning on the left side of this x-intercept, which is right there where the cursor's flashing. Hit enter. You'll see that first dotted line appear. Then it asks for right bound. So go past the x-intercept. That's the right boundary of the x-intercept. Hit enter. You'll see another dotted line come up. Hit enter again where it asks you to guess. And there you go. You get the x value of 5.033114. Okay. If you want to see the full value, okay, quit out of the screen, hit X, and then enter. And there's the number, 5.033114026, which is what we hand calculated in class.